Ouch! Sunburn? Dry, itchy skin? Breakouts? You need this aloe vera. Herb the all-natural, skin-saving superhero. For centuries, people have used aloe vera for one reason: it works. From soothing sunburns to deep hydration, this plant is nature's first aid for your skin. Unlike heavy creams, aloe is 98% water and absorbs fast, leaving your skin plump and fresh. Aloe's antibacterial power helps clear breakouts while reducing redness and irritation. Aloe vera is nature's skincare MVP, hydrating, healing, and soothing all in one. Next time your skin needs help, go green.